How to edit Word documents on iPhone for free. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Word application. The Word application offers features like text formatting, spell and grammar checking, templates for easy creation, collaboration tools, and the ability to insert images, tables, and charts. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Files icon. Go to the Other Storage section and tap on Files app. Select the file you want to open from here. Once you have opened the file, go to the top and tap on the Edit icon. You can now edit and change the Word document as you like. After that, tap on Done at the top left corner. Following these steps, you can easily edit Word documents on iPhone for free. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.